Use your time wisely. Lead your life. Our lives are a product of choices. The choices we make on a daily basis. Although we can control our choices, we cannot control the consequences of our choices. Universal laws or principles do. We often get so caught up being busy. Busy with what exactly? We don't know. This transformation series is about creating a quality life, efficient, productive, fulfilled life, a dream-worthy life. First things first. There's two powerful tools that can guide us. 1, the clock. 2, the compass. What's important versus how we spend our time. The clock represents our commitments, goals, schedules, and activities that we do with our time and how we manage our time. The compass represents our vision, values, principles, mission, direction, what we feel is most important to us, and it leads our lives. The main point to leading your life is to ensure that your life, that your clock, your schedules, calendars consist of things that are most important to you. Your vision, your compass, things that truly matter to you. That's how we get to experience the goodness of life, lead our lives, and not let any wake-up call to make you aware of this gap. This pandemic has proved that life is so unpredictable. Hence, the quality of your life depends on you nurturing the things that are most essential. The significant part of intentional, purposeful life is changing what isn't working. So now, it's time to add things that are most important to you in your calendar, your timetables. The 7 key activities that will ensure that you lead your life and use your time wisely. 1. Add an activity that helps improve communication with people. 2. An activity that helps you seize new opportunities. 3. An activity for taking better care of yourself. 4. An activity for personal development. 5. Activity for better preparation. 6. Activity for better planning and organizing. 7. An activity for empowerment. The second thing to do is to evaluate how you spend your time. You need to determine which of the 3 generations of the evolution of time management are you. Are you the first generation, the go with the flow, trying to keep track of things with simple reminders or urgent to-do list? Or are you the second generation? They plan and prepare. They use calendars, appointment books, and schedule future events. Or the third generation, plan, prioritize, and even control. They plan activities that should be prioritized daily. They keep detailed planners and organizers. I guess that's the most ideal. Every person has a system on how they use their time. The most ideal question that you need to ask yourself when creating a system is, am I doing the right things? Instead of, am I doing things right? Now, you need to adjust your current schedules in order to fit the key activities. Then, create a new schedule for all the key activities. The activities improve communication with people, seize new opportunities, taking better care of yourself, personal development, better preparation, better planning and organizing, and empowerment. In your calendar, add the important tasks. Then, create a routine, a good morning routine, just to start your day right. Get up, dress up, manage your time, use your time wisely, and lead your life. The next step is to organize your life.